In a tranquil pond surrounded by lush greenery, a curious little frog named Finnegan lived on a vibrant lily pad. With his sparkling eyes filled with wonder, he gazed at the vast world beyond his pond, longing for adventure. One sunny day, Finnegan summoned all his courage and leaped off his lily pad, creating ripples in the water. During his adventure, Finnegan encountered wise turtles.
Hi, my name is Boris. Do you want to play with me?
Hi, my name is Corey. It is a lovely day for a swim. Hi, my name is Dash the Dragonfly. Beautiful day for flying.
They shared stories and laughter, forming an unbreakable bond as they journeyed together through hidden coves and secret caves.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
As the sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, Finnegan and his newfound friends returned to the pond. They nestled among the water lilies, hearts brimming with joy, cherishing the memories of their extraordinary adventure.